pancit.
Finish.
Oh, finished, see? Oh, how nice it looks and how delicious it was because I'm already tasted it. Mwah!
Okay ba, Beth?
Yes, of course. Our cook from Germany.
Tatalunin ba natin Chinese restaurant?
Of course, talong-talo sila. Dahil meron tayong espesyal, ano. Alam mo naman, mahilig tayo sa mga improvise. Yung bami nila.
Ito yung tawag na outdoor cooking.
Yes, and see? Oh, hindi ko naalisin dyan kasi ito, very nice. And now, see, shrimp. The shrimp. Very nice. Oh, my goodness, delicious.
Delicious.
Yolilicious. Yolilicious. Very delicious. Pancit canton.
Punta na sa kuan ha sa TV.
Oh no, I posted it on
Cover ko.
yes.
Yun.
International kukuha sa kanya. Baka gawin siyang chef cook ng one of the international well-known people. If you like, you can taste it now. Very nice.
You can taste
See,
it.
see. Have a look. That's my finger. Wow! That's me and Tita Yoli.
Yeah,
See?
my good friend Beth.
Very nice, Tita Yol. Very delicious. Yolilicious.
Inaano natin pang suno.
And now, another cook imported from Austria. She's not really cook. She's only tuhog ng barbecue. See? Very sexy ha, taga-tuhog. See? That's our Tiffany. And that's a birthday celebrant today. He's always working.
It's also tuhog-tuhog.
And that's our Heli from Austria.
Our
manager. Boss, it's okay, boss.
Siyang malhanay by YouTube. This Alice was a bit...
Yeah. See, they are talking Österreicher, Reute, Offen. Hufen, Tirol.
Yeah.
Uy! Somebody call.